What's going on, everyone? Vince here, Life with Vince Luu, and originally this video was supposed to be a YouTube short, but as I was making the short, I realized that there was no way that I can get this video in under 60 seconds, and you'll see why in a bit. So I've been out of town. I was in Portland for about 10 days for Christmas, and then I got back and I went to Sacramento, but now I am finally back in the Bay Area, and I've been expecting this package. I actually got this package sent to another address because I was out of town, and this package is my gift from my Secret Santa. A bunch of us small YouTubers got together to do a Secret Santa, and I finally got my gift. I've been expecting this. I'm excited for it. And my Secret Santa is Lawra Marie. I'm gonna put her channel down below. Please, please, please go give her a follow. She runs a fitness and lifestyle vlog. Very entertaining and overall a very good person. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. And the first thing, it actually comes with a card. And she did an amazing job putting all this confetti stuffing together. And the reason that I couldn't get this in under 60 seconds is because there's one, not two, not three, but four things that I have to unbox. So I first want to start off with the card, and I gotta put this away to make sure my cats don't eat this stuff. And the card reads, laughter, magic, and fun. Merry Christmas, Vince. I hope you have a wonderful holiday filled with joy, happiness, fun, and that you pull some rare cards for your collection. So she knows that I am into Pokemon, so this is probably some Pokemon card stuff, which I am super excited about. Also, great job on those pull-ups. Thank you. Last year, 2020, I did 36,600 pull-ups. What a year of pull-ups. I hope to do one soon. I got the chin up, but I want to one day do a real one. LOL. Anyways, I hope Santa didn't disappoint. Secret Santa, Lawra Marie. Thank you so much, Laura, and I have full faith and confidence that you'll be able to do that pull-up soon. If you can get that chin up, then you can definitely do a pull-up soon after. Which one should I do first? Okay, let's do this one. First thing, she got me although you see, it's actually a running water bottle, a Duraflex. I've actually been wanting one of these just because when I go out and run, sometimes I don't want to wear my vest and I just want to carry a water bottle. And I think there's like a hand strap, so you can strap it in your hands, and then some little pockets as well. So very cool gift. Thank you, Laura. Second one will go with the, wow, so cool. A Pokemon binder, and this binder has side loading pages, which is awesome. And if you can see, it has little Pokemons and also a bunch of cool other designs. Wow, this is literally amazing. This is so cool. All right, this next one. Ooh, what's in this box? Oh, there's tape. Wow. Wow. So many booster packs. This is so awesome. So Sun and Moon, Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon base, Unified Minds, Sword and Shield base set, and then Rebel Clash. So I'm definitely going to do an unboxing video of these. And then also, oh wow, a Marshadow box. Wow, this is amazing, Laura. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. This is way more than I could ever ask for, and I'm super excited to do an unboxing of these cards. I'll actually, thinking through it, because it's going to take a little bit of time to do the unboxing, I'll do a separate video of an unboxing of this box and then also these packs as well, because I think it would make for a great separate video. So again, thank you so much, Lawra. And then if you all can do me a favor, if you can go follow her on Instagram, if you can follow her, subscribe to her on Facebook, I'm gonna link her channel down below. Thank you so much again, Lawra.